For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Finding the right products is one of the most crucial elements of succeeding in dropshipping. With millions of items available across global suppliers, the process can be overwhelming. However, artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed product research, making it smarter, faster, and more data-driven. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to find winning dropshipping products using AI. Step 1. Understand what makes a good dropshipping product. Before you even use AI tools, it's essential to know what you're looking for. Winning dropshipping products typically have these characteristics: high demand, trending, or evergreen products; low competition, less saturation in the market; good profit margins, usually at least 3x markup; a lightweight and durable, easier to ship; problem-solving, products that address a specific need or desire. Having this mental framework will help you analyze AI recommendations effectively. Step 2. Choose the right AI tools for product research. There are several AI-powered tools specifically designed for e-commerce product research. Some of the most popular ones include Sell the Trend. Uses AI to analyze trends across AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify. Zik Analytics. Great for eBay dropshipping with AI-based competitor and product tracking. Hunt. Uses AI to rate products based on profitability and saturation. Niche Scraper. Offers AI-generated lists of trending products with analytics. Shopify's AI tools. Integrates product suggestions, market demand, and price optimization. Some general-purpose AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude can also help brainstorm ideas, analyze competitors, and automate research tasks. Step 3. Identify a niche with the help of AI. Use AI to help you choose a profitable niche. If you're unsure where to start, prompt an AI tool like this: give me 5 profitable e-commerce niches in 2025 with low competition and high demand. AI tools analyze search trends, online communities, and consumer data to suggest niches like eco-friendly household items, home fitness gear, pet accessories, personal safety gadgets, smart kitchen tools. Validate these suggestions by checking them against Google Trends and keyword search volume using AI-integrated tools like Exploding Topics or Ubersuggest. Step 4. Use AI to discover trending products. Once you've selected a niche, it's time to dig into specific products. Tools like Sell the Trend or Hunt can provide AI-curated lists of trending items, often updated daily. These tools usually include a number of orders, AliExpress or Shopify stores, Facebook ads engagement, competitor stores selling it, profit margins. If you're using ChatGPT, you could prompt, what are some trending pet grooming tools in 2025 suitable for dropshipping? The AI can respond with items like de-shedding brushes, automatic nail grinders, or pet hair removers. You can cross-check these suggestions with supplier sites like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Zendrop to verify their availability. Step 5. Analyze competitors with AI. Knowing what your competitors are selling and how they're marketing can give you an edge. Tools like Shop Hunter, Dropship Spy, or Koala Inspector, a Chrome extension, use AI to uncover what products are top sellers in competitor stores. Shopify app integrations, traffic sources, ad creatives used. You can also ask ChatGPT. Analyze the top 3 Shopify stores selling smart kitchen gadgets. What are their best sellers and marketing strategies? Use this intelligence to either compete with better pricing or branding, or find gaps they haven't filled yet. Step 6. Use AI to validate product demand. Finding a product is not enough. You need to confirm people want it. AI-powered keyword tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google's AI-enhanced keyword planner let you research monthly search volume, keyword competition, and trends. Ask ChatGPT, how many people search for portable smoothie blender monthly in the US? Is it trending up or down? AI tools will combine this with sentiment analysis from forums, reviews, and social media to give you a clear demand picture. Step 7. Check product viability using AI. Some AI tools like Intelligence or OllyShark allow you to filter products using key metrics such as number of daily orders, shipping time to key markets, supplier rating, refund/return rate, customer review analysis. You can also feed product review data into an AI model and ask, summarize the common complaints and compliments for this product. This will help you anticipate potential issues and ensure quality before listing in your store. Step 8. Predict profitability with AI-powered calculators. Use AI-based profit calculators like BProfit or TrueProfit to model different pricing scenarios based on product cost, shipping, marketing, and processing fees. Many tools integrate with Shopify and automatically pull this data. You can also create a custom prompt for ChatGPT. If my product costs $6, shipping is $3, Facebook ad CPA is $10, and I sell at $29.99, what's my net profit margin? AI will calculate the answer and may even suggest adjusting your ad budget or price for better margins. Step 9. Test ad creatives using AI. After selecting a product, test different ad creatives using AI to predict performance. Tools like Pencil, AdCreative.ai, and designs that AI can automatically generate image and video ads based on your product. Ask an AI tool. Generate a Facebook ad for a collapsible water bottle targeted at college students. It can create ad copy, suggest visuals, and even provide emotional triggers for better engagement. You can also A/B test variants using predictive analytics to choose the best performing creatives. Step 10. Automate monitoring with AI. Finding one product is great, but the market constantly changes. Use AI to automate product tracking. Set alerts using tools like OllyShark. Get daily updates on trending products. Google Alerts plus ChatGPT. Monitor keyword trends and let ChatGPT summarize them. Shopify Flow. Use AI rules to track inventory, prices, and supplier changes automatically. This ensures you're always ahead of competitors by spotting hot new items early. Bonus. Use AI to write product descriptions and SEO tags. Once you've selected a product, use AI to optimize your store. Tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, or ChatGPT can help with SEO-friendly product titles, bullet point feature lists, persuasive sales copy, meta descriptions, FAQs, and customer support scripts. Prompt example. Write a product description for a portable smoothie blender that highlights convenience, eco-friendliness, and sleek design. You'll get polished content ready to publish on your store. With this approach, you'll move faster, make smarter decisions, and reduce the risk of picking unprofitable products. Let AI be your assistant, not just for ideas, but for execution too. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.